legends, and thanks for tuning in. On this episode of the Barra C1100 build, I'm going to get the battery tray mounted, which is going to go behind the cab there. I'm going to get some metal work done, like filling in this fuel filler hole, move on to some rust repairs, hopefully going to get the seat stripped and get the factory cover over to the trimmer to get him to do the new cover for it. And if you've got any time left over, we'll do some more welding on the tray, eh? Let's get into it. Rightio, so this battery tray was actually fitted to this chassis. It was over the other side where that Falcon fuel tank is now. Obviously it's not going to bolt into this side. This is where I do want the battery tray to fit. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is trim off the bits that aren't going to work, and then try and get it fitted. Probably cut this off and reattach it somewhere else. Like there's already a mount there, I'll probably be able to use it. So yeah, I'll trim this thing up, get it set in there, and let's get it mounted, eh? Alrighty, so we got that battery tray trimmed up, set it in here. As you can see, that I'm going to put a fold on that line there, and there's already a hole in the bracing there. So I'm going to fold that over, pick up that hole for that brace, and then sit this in here. I'm going to weld that that other tab that I cut off back onto here, and probably have to drill a hole just in this side bracing there, and that should mount that pretty good. So yeah, we'll get this tray folded up and see if we can get it mounted, eh? Not sure if it's going to work. We'll give it a go. It may need some heat yet. Probably going to get a fair bit of flex out of this too, but I can't even hold it. Oh yeah, that should be enough. Let's see if we can get this thing set in there and see what she looks like. Alrighty, so I went ahead and I tightened that nut and bolt up for the tray there, got that lug cut off, got it bolted up to this brace, just got that tray sitting. As you can see, it's not welded yet. Gonna go ahead, weld that up, and yeah, I think that should be mounted. Rightio, so I think I'm going to move on to filling in this old fuel filler hole here. This is the repair section that I cut out of that AA. As you can see, it's the old fuel filler hole. So yeah, the body is shaped obviously pretty close to what that hole's going to be. So just sat that over there, done a quick little template on there. Going to go ahead, bare metal this area, then I'll start cutting the repair section out of that, trimming it up to suit, and then yeah, we'll get it welded in, eh? So spent a bit of time, got this repair patch the right shape, got it sitting in there with the magnets. It's going to tack it in. It's not quite square, it doesn't want to hold square at the minute. I'm going to tack it and then yeah, square it up and then we'll get it welded in. Might help if I put an earth on the body somewhere. Probably not going to work, is it? That'll work. Alrighty, so I went ahead and yeah, give this a big sand and hit it with the orbital. Then just sprayed it with some Easy Floss to yeah, keep that bare metal finish from going rusty. So yeah, the fuel filter's done. I think I'm going to move on to the outer of the scuttle panels here. This one's a bit better than the other side. I'll show you it as well while I'm going. Yeah, you can see this one's pretty bad. But yeah, I might start repairing these, and then there's some spots in the floor, we might look at that. But yeah, for now we'll start with scuttle panel, right? Rightio, so I went ahead and cut this side out and yeah, found a bit of cancer internally there, so I'm gonna have to clean that up and repair that internal section, and then yeah, rebuild this outer side. As you can see, a few spots there too. No big surprise, but I had another thing about this side, and I decided, since I cut that whole other side out, I decided to just rebuild this side anyway, make a whole new piece instead of that little section. So gonna go ahead and then yeah, get this side tacked in, clean the other side up and do that internal bit, eh? Alrighty, so I got that internal structure fixed up. That's all welded, ground down. Put some Rust-Oleum on it, so that's all sealed up. Just been working on this off camera here. I'm gonna go ahead, get it trimmed up, get it fitted, and get that welded in, and then yeah, see what she looks like, eh? So we got both these sides knocked out. I'm really happy with them. There's a couple of spots that obviously still need doing. There's a lot of spots sort of internally. I was going to see on that spare cab if we got any of those rust repair sections left. I was going to go ahead and fab one of them up if I don't have to. Same on this side, it's got a dodgy spot there. Like I said, if I can cut pieces out of the other cab, I will, save me some time. But yeah, really happy with both those sides. They're all done, buttoned up. Again, the fuel filler got done. battery tray, that's all sorted. So what I want to go ahead and do now is pull this seat out, get it on my little bench there. I need to take the covers off it, top and bottom, and get them to the upholsterer. He's going to have them for a while, but I want to get them to him now, so I'm not holding him up. So I get this out. Had a look at the floors, and they're a bit bigger of a job than I have time for in this video. Probably going to have to replace at least the front half of the left and the right floor pan, so I'm not going to touch them today. If I got time after the seat, I'm going to go ahead and TIG weld the couple of spots that are left over on the roof, eh? So let's get the seat out and get it apart. Alright, let's see if we can get the seat out of this thing without bloody breaking me back. Strapping them on myself. Not too bad. Oh yeah, there we go. I'll just have to yeah, remove all these little clips and get these covers off. Alrighty, I got the gadget here, got some side cutters. Let's see if we can start ripping these clips off, mate. Get these covers off. Let us know down in the comments too what colour or what style of material and pattern or whatever do you think you should cover this thing in. It's going to be a dark brown distressed leather. I think probably just in the factory style. I know there's a lot of different cool designs out there, but yeah, we're just going with the factory look, but in that distressed leather, like I was saying in the other video, going to cover the dash as well, make that yeah, with that padded dash that I did, so going to be really really cool, I think. So yeah, like I said, just let us know yeah, what you blokes would do with it. Alright, might time lapse this, and get all these clips off. So we got both the top and bottom covers of that bench seat. I'll take them around the trimmer when I get 5 chance. So yeah, whenever he gets a chance, he can start knocking them up. And like I said, I've got some spare time. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just a couple of spots on these pillars, mainly on the back side and that, where I'm going to TIG weld. I didn't bother MIG weld them because yeah, the nice tight gap, and I've got some gas back in my TIG now. So yeah, going to go ahead, just get them tagged up, and we'll button her up. Okay, so I got those leftover welds that needed doing, got them finished off. Those TIG weldings all done, sanding them off. Yeah, put a bit of easy force on them so they stop rusting. So yeah, roof's all buttoned up now. Gonna shut it down here, everyone. Like I said, had a really good, got a fair bit done for this video. Got that battery box, battery tray mounted, fuel filler filled in, and these two spots of yeah, really bad rust in the side of the scuttle panel. They're all buttoned up now. Obviously there's a lot more rust to do in it, but yeah, it's gonna have to wait for another video. So yeah, we're gonna shut it off here, everyone. As always, thanks for watching. If you can do us a favor, like, comment, share and subscribe, it's much appreciated, and I'll catch you on the next one.